So I pre-made this stuff, I mean, you know, back in February.
Excellent.
So you can see, I just put it in one of my Tupperware containers. This one's a little thicker, but you can see, even thick, really thick, it's still flexible.
Yeah.
Very flexible like fabric. Now, what you can also see is that this is regular gelatin. It's flexible, but it might break. This is flexible gelatin. See, it's like fabric. And this is regular gelatin. See, it doesn't drape down like that does.
And that's just because of the glycerin?
This is the glycerin.
That's
I
very
used
cool.
a little more water in the glycerin. Okay, so when I took that first off the mat, that first gelatin without the glycerin off the mat,
Yeah.
this is how it came out.
Aha.
I just peeled it right off the mat. Okay, and I know it's got a couple holes where I didn't, you know, scrape it all the way, but I didn't care.
All right.
All right, and so what I want to do now is I want to cut these to make the tutu. Okay, so I have a pattern here that I just put on this guy. I'll put it over here.
We can get a copy of that pattern.
Yep,
So you guys will get this pattern.
and I just cut it.
So you really are treating it just like fabric.
Yep,
Very cool.
because it's really thin.
Yeah.
The mat makes sure it's nice and thin.
Okay.
Okay, because that mat only lets you put so much gelatin in there.
Yeah.
And it's just one coat. You know, you just put it in there. When it dries, boom, it comes out like this. Okay, and so you cut a bunch of these. So here I have a whole bunch of them. I might need to cut some more. These are like really old. I pulled them off my other cake. So I'll probably cut some new ones.
And these are with the glycerin.
These are not, no.
These are the non-glycerin.
These are the non-glycerin ones.
Got it.
Okay, that's what this mat was, non-glycerin. Because I don't really want it, I don't want it limp. When you don't want
Right.
something limp like fabric, then you got to use the regular gelatin.
Yeah, because the tutu is going to stick kind of straight out.
Right.
As opposed
It's
to
firm.
falling down like a dress.
Right.
Gotcha. See, I stopped wearing
doesn't
those a
wear
long time ago.
tutus
So
enough,
that's
yeah.
right.
He just doesn't-
I haven't
he
worn
doesn't
one
get
for
it.
so long, so I forget these things.
Okay, so, and then again, I have a whole bunch of, you know, of the flexible.
And do you store it in an airtight bag or container?
No,
No?
I basically just
Put it in a
put it in a Tupperware thing. I
Okay,
put it in a
great.
Tupperware thing. You can put it in a plastic bag.
Okay.
You don't want the humidity to get to it. For some reason, this one's stuck. There we go.
Okay. Excellent.
Oh, I got a little bit of a stick going on
Very
here.
cool.
Yeah, I'll get that apart later.
Yep.
This one kind of stuck together. I would definitely use like wax paper or something to store it, because if it gets humid, then yeah, they can stick. So I have a whole bunch of sheets that I was just playing with it. Bunches and bunches of them. Okay, so you can see how flexible. See how that
Yeah.
drapes.
And they're really
But
pretty
look,
too.
yeah, but this, you know, this doesn't drape like that.
Right.
Flexible,
Got it.
regular.
Flexible with glycerin,
No
non-glycerin.
glycerin. More water, a little more water. Okay. Everyone okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay.